This is the first lecture for class 10 physics in refraction chapter. In refraction chapter, we will study about the concept of refraction and what is the cause of refraction, and also we will discuss about the laws of refraction. Now first, the concept of refraction. In refraction, very important concept. When a light ray bends after moving from one medium to another obliquely. Obliquely means at some angle with normal. Then this phenomenon is defined as refraction. It means two conditions here. First, bending, and second, whenever moving from one medium to another medium obliquely. It means whenever moving normally, then there is no chance of bending, and when moving from one medium to another medium in obliquely condition, just like whenever we will draw the diagram, then everything will be clear. This is the diagram concept. This one is incident ray, and this one is refracted ray, and this one is emergent ray. And when we draw normal on each surface, and this is the angle of incidence, and this is the angle of refraction. Suppose PQRS is the rectangular glass slab. This is the symbol for another medium, that is glass medium. Rectangular glass surface. A glass slab. This one is normal. This is also normal. And here, this one is the angle of incidence for this surface, and this is the angle of emergent. Now here OA is the incident ray. Whenever incident on this surface, then bend towards the normal. Why? Because we know that glass is the denser than airal medium. It means in glass the speed of light becomes less whenever the incident from are coming from air. Due to this, it bends towards the normal. That's why after coming towards another surface, and when finally emerging towards BC, then away from normal, because this is what glass medium, that is denser medium, and this one is rarer medium, that is air. And when the light rays goes from denser to rarer, then away from normal, and when light ray goes from rarer to denser, then towards the normal. Here the concept of deviation, I will say the concept of bending. When the difference in refractive index is greater than bending or deviation or bending of light will be maximum. Here refractive index of air if N1 and refractive index of glass if N2. This is glass. And we know that the speed of light in air, that is V1, is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. But the speed of light in glass will be less because this is denser medium, 10 power 8 meter per second. In this way, we can say that whenever the light ray goes from rarer to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal, and bends towards the normal. Only one concept, that is speed of light in different medium is different. So this is the concept of refraction. And then after refraction, the next one is cause of refraction. Cause of refraction. The main cause of refraction is light of whenever traveling from one medium to another medium, then speed of light is different for different media. Due to this, the light ray whenever moves from one medium to another medium, that's why bend towards the normal or away from the normal. In the condition when coming from denser to rarer, then away from normal, and when coming from rarer to denser, then towards the normal. And then after this, laws of refraction. Laws of refraction. Very simple concept. With the help of this diagram, you can also explain laws of refraction. Number 1, the incident ray. This is the incident ray, and refracted ray and normal. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and normal at the point of incidence. All lie in the same plane. This one law just similar to the law of reflection. And second law, very easy and very important law. This is also known as Snell's law. In this law, the sine of angle of incidence, to the sine of angle of refraction. It means the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction for the given media is always constant, and which is also known as Snell's law. Snell's law. About this Snell's law, we will discuss the concept of either refractive index or absolute refractive index and the speed of light, how vary from one medium to another medium in next lecture. But in first lecture, only on the concept of refraction and what is the concept of deviation value. Whenever the deviation value will be maximum or minimum and depends upon which condition? Depends upon the condition of refractive index. Whenever the refractive index means just like the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction. This is the ratio, and this one ratio is what? Constant, and this constant is also known as what? Refractive index. The value of refractive index in the terms of velocity, and in which condition the refractive index is said to be absolute refractive index, we will discuss in the next lecture. But in this lecture, only one, the refraction concept and how the deviation depends upon refractive index. Whenever the refractive index difference, it means if air and glass, whenever refractive index difference taken, then difference with maximum, then deviation will be maximum. It means either going from rare to denser, then towards the normal, and then from denser to rarer, then away from the normal. Value of deviation will be maximum when the difference in angle is greater. And again, cause of refraction, why the refraction going on? Refraction only one on behalf of the speed of light. The speed of light in this medium, that is what? 3 into 10 power 8, and in this medium glass, that is 2 into 10 power 8. And the refraction here going on. Another concept depends upon obliquely. When the light rays goes in second medium and incident in obliquely condition, then deviated by an angle that is either smaller than the initial angle or greater than the initial angle. So in this lecture, that's enough for today. Thank you.